Hi, now we are going to see the efficient similarity search for sets over the graph. The main objective of this project is we have to find the top key similarity from the arbitrary set of pairs. Now we are going to execute the project. Okay. And this project has two modules. One is the admin module, another one is a user module. Okay, in that admin module, admin can view the users and authorize them. For that, user can register first. After the registration, the admin can authorize the user. After authorize, user can log in. Without the authorization, user cannot log in your account. For example, user User have to register the account with the basic information of the user. Okay. Welcome the user login. If you are a new user means you have to sign up your account. Here I am entering the basic information of the particular user. User register is successful. After that user register, admin can authorize. For that you have to log in the admin account. Okay, welcome admin. Here we have to see the users and authorize them. Here Deepa Jansi. This is deactivated. Once you activated means the user can log in your account. Activate user successfully. Now the user can log in the account with the correct username and password. Welcome data users. Okay. After authorization, admin can add the geotextual data and view which are the geotextual data is already added. Add geotextual data. Okay, its name, government, museum. Description. Next, which area? City. Full address. All the information has been added successfully. Now you have to view all the geotextual data which is already added. Samolipunga, Edward Alex Beach, Marina Beach, Hilton's Hotel, Gindi National Park, VGP Park, Vadapanni Temple, Government Museum. Next, user can, after login, user can view their profile, which is the basic information of the user. Here the basic information of the user. Next, user can search the data, which all are the data is available, and the user can give the review and rankings. Now I am searching the data. For example, beach. You can view all the information about the beach. After that, you have to give the review and ranking for the particular place. Here the Edward Elliot Beach and the Marina Beach is available. You can view the all information, geotextual information, which means the description about the Edward Elliot Beach, geotextual area, which the city, next to the full address. You can make the review. Yeah, it's a Marina Beach, Chennai. Good place to spend time. You also give the ranking about the places. I will give 4 star. Submit. User can add the review under ranking successful. User can also search the other hotels. Example, other hotels. Here not hotel is, hotels is available. Hotel. Yeah. Hilton Hotel, Seaside Modern Palace Hotel. The information we have to give the ranking. Largest hotel. The hotel view is very beautiful. View, beautiful. And the service is good. I will give 5 star. Add the reviews and ranking successfully. Next, user admin can view all the search histories and the data review, which the reviews given by the users. All the data reviews. Here Deepa Jhansi, Marina Beach, good place, spend time. Largest hotel, the hotel view is beautiful and the service is good. They can give 4 star and 5 star. Now user search history. Here 146 Deepa Jhansi, first beach, next hotels, next hotel. These are the users search history. Finally, we have to find the result, which means this is a top key result. Admin can view the top key result and also user can view the top key results. First, admin can view the top results. Yeah. First, in the top place, example, one view result means these are all the top key result in the Chennai. In the geotextual areas, we have to give the top key result. For example, third place. Yeah. Seaside Modern Palace Hotel is a third place. Which is the last place? Yeah. These are all the last place. This is the top key results of the geotextual data. And user can also see. User can see their also histories. Own histories. Deepa Jhansi Rani, beach, hotels, hotel. Next we view the result. User can view the result. These are all the top K geotextual data. After that we have to give the result based on the graph by the admin side. Yeah, first view top key result and view search result. Yeah, these are all the top key result, which are the most toppest result in that geotextual data. After that, we have to see search result. Beach, hotel, hotels, park, temple. These are the search data. The main aim of the project is we have to find the top K results. That is achieved by this efficient similarity search for set over the graphs. Thank you for watching this video.